A robotic voice on every sales call. That's the fastest way to lose a lead's trust before you've even pitched. Vyroq's call settings fix that. Head to calls, then AI voice for calls. By default, your agent dials out using a standard AI voice, clear but generic. On Pro and higher, flip the toggle, use my cloned voice on calls, and suddenly it's your voice greeting every lead. Warm, familiar, unmistakably you. No clone yet? Vyroq shows create your first clone right there. It routes you straight to the library to record one in minutes. Once you've got a clone, pick it from the dropdown. Only clones made specifically for live calls show up here, so quality stays reliable mid-conversation. Hit save, and that's it. Every future call now uses your voice until you decide to change it. On a lower plan, you'll see the upgrade prompt instead. One click gets you to billing. That's calls that sound like you, not a script reading bot. Start yours free at vyroq.com, no credit card, 14-day money-back guarantee.